Hey guys, I'm Natasha from Homestead, Florida. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to Mr. Phillip here. Thank you for presenting information the way you do. First, I would like to say that taking Phillip's 3 sections were the difference between me understanding what a trade was and me being able to analyze with confidence what a chart is doing. And for someone who wants to make this a skill, that information is invaluable. That really is the meat and potatoes of the whole thing, is understanding what you're looking at when you're looking at a chart and when you're marking things up, and how something's going to move and how to best predict that. Another thing was just understanding risk management and really knowing how to put yourself in check and put your emotions in check. So thank you, Phillip, for making information accessible the way that you do, and for making everything just available for us, from books, from different websites to look at, from information, and just the way that you think and the way that you process. So really appreciate it, and please don't ever stop doing what you're doing. It's going to change many, many, many lives. Thanks.